Here in our app, we have a typical navigation bar. But we also have a button. This button is a toolbar item. It is a special type of button that can be added to a page object's toolbar items collection. Each toolbar item object will appear as a button in the application's navigation bar. A toolbar item instance can have an icon and appear as a primary or secondary menu item. Good day everyone. I'm Michael, and I'm using a text-to-speech program to have a more clear speech and audio. In this video lesson, you will learn how to add toolbar item using property element syntax. Now let's open the Visual Studio and do some coding. Here I have a blank template, and all I have done here is set the title property. To add toolbar item, we use property element syntax. Property element syntax becomes essential when the value of a property is too complex to be expressed as a simple string. Within the property element tags, you can instantiate another object and set its properties. Before we run the application, toolbar item only appears in a navigation bar. So need to wrap this page into a navigation page. Let's go to our app class and wrap this page into new navigation page. Let's run the app. Here, I've added 3 toolbar items. Now, this one has an icon image source, that's why it displays the image instead of its text property. The priority property determines the display order of items in a page object's toolbar items collection. An order is a toolbar item order enumeration value that determines whether the toolbar item instance displays in the primary or secondary menu. Now look what happens if I set this 2 items order to secondary. The 2 toolbar items are now wrapped inside a container and display only a vertical ellipsis. We can also add events to each item like clicked. From here, you can open a page like a modal page, add or edit data. But for simplicity, let's just call a display alert method. Let's run the app again. Another thing I want you to pay attention to. Because the navigation bar in Android is blue by default, make sure your icon should be white with transparent background. That's all for this video lesson. If you have questions, suggestions, something to add, or you think something is missing or incorrect to the lesson, please let me know. Again, this is Michael, thank you and see you at my next video lesson. Keep safe everyone.